Out of the thousands of softwares that are available on the internet, there are many apps that are of great use to you. In this video, I will show you the top 5 apps that I think should be in every computer. The first step on the list is Ear Trumpet. You can get it from Microsoft Store. It is not available for Mac and Linux. This is a powerful app that can be very useful to you. After downloading, you can find it in this tray. This app allows you to reduce the volume of each of the software which is playing the audio individually. The next app on the list is Videolan. This is popularly known as VLC Media Player. You can get the app in videolan.org. The specialty of the app is that it can play all type of audio and video. It supports all type of file format. This is the interface of the app. This software is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. This app is a lot more than just a video player. You can record your screen and also convert file format in this app. The video tutorial for how to record screen using VLC Video Player and how to convert file format will be provided in the description box. Please check that too. The third app on the list is Bitwarden. This software is a free open-source secure password manager, which is a great alternative to paid password managers. The app gives you zero-knowledge encryption. Even the company itself cannot see your data. The software is available for Windows, Mac, and Linux. You can also get the app as an extension in most of the popular web browsers. Other than passwords, you can also store important files and notes in this software. Overall, this is a good software to store your data privately. The next software on the list is the Cloudflare VPN. I use this software personally and it is of great use to me. Your internet service provider can see every site and app you use, even if they're encrypted. Some providers even sell this data or use it to target you with ads. 111.1 with Warp prevents anyone from snooping on you by encrypting more of the traffic leaving your device. Now I will show you an example of how this app is useful. The last app on the list is totalpccleaner. It is available for only Windows. It is the best app to clear up the disk space if you are a Windows user. You can also scan large file in this app. On launching the application, you will see this interface. It is very user-friendly. Just click on Scan to scan for junk files, and click on Clean. It will clean all the system caches. These are my favorite application that I think should be in every PC. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe.